Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, thanks for joining in. So today I'm so excited to show you guys that brand new review of the Turboant X7 Pro scooter. So if you don't like this video, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on that notification bell. All right, let's crack this thing open and see what we got inside. You can see here that this is X7 Pro Turboant folding electric scooter. The max speed is 20 miles per hour. You get a max range between 20 and 30 miles for one charge. It can hold up to 275 pounds. You have 3 different speed settings. You got cruise mode, and it comes with a 350 watt motor. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up the second box here. And as soon as you open it, you can see the scooter right inside, and this scooter is only 33 pounds. So it's super light and it's foldable. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that out. The electrical cord and the power strip will be in here. All right, so right out of the box, you can see the fold arm here. It's got a really nice braking system too here on the back of the wheel. And just to feel it, it's got like a really nice metal frame. Feels really durable, very good quality. So it does have a lock system here where you can fold it and click it in, and it keeps it intact so you can just carry it. I'm gonna go ahead and fold this up here. So as you're bringing the arm forward, you can just take this latch here and lock it into place. So as we're going to show you the 10-inch inflatable tires here. And you got a braking system here where you can push down with your foot. So we have a really nice LED system display here. And also inside this box, you have the handlebars. I don't know if you can notice, but there's an R on the handlebar here that demonstrates that this is for the right-hand side of the handlebar. So you actually want to turn the handlebar to you to actually screw it in to tighten it. So the handlebars are super easy to install. It literally took just a few seconds there. You actually want to install the fitting around the handlebar before actually installing the left handlebar. After the bell and the braking system is installed on the handlebar, we're just going to use the hex tool and the screw to tighten it back up. And that is all there is to it. This took literally 2 minutes to assemble the whole entire scooter, and we are already ready to go. Wanted to show you the really nice bell here. Braking system. LED display, power button. Also, a really great key feature about this scooter is it does have a removable battery, which is located right here. And this is the button that you'll use for your different mode settings. So I brought the scooter into my garage so you guys can see the LED display in a darker setting. To power on the scooter, you're just going to hold the power button on for 2 seconds. So here at the bottom, you can see the battery level of the scooter. This is going to show you how many miles per hour you're going. And then this red dot right here is the 3rd setting for how fast you want to go on the scooter. So you can change it to slow mode, eco mode, or fast mode, depending on how fast you want to go with the scooter. And then you can just turn the scooter off by pressing in the power button again. And that's all there is to it. We are ready to take off on this thing. Okay guys, so I just went 4 miles to this beautiful lake, as you can see, and I absolutely love this scooter. It's amazing. I was able to go up to almost 20 miles per hour. It's super fast. The wheels are amazing on all the bumps. I mostly stayed on the sidewalk, but it's a wonderful scooter. It has a lot of power. I have about half of the battery. I haven't even fully charged it yet since I've taken it out of the box, but I absolutely love it. I recommend it to all of you guys, and I'm gonna keep riding it and see how the rest of it goes. Okay guys, so overall, I love the scooter. The only really major downfall that I really saw while riding it is the incline going up the hill. So I do live in an area that has a lot of inclines, and I did notice the speed decreased a lot, and it seemed like the scooter didn't really have a lot of power going up those hills. But when you're at the level, it goes super fast. I was able to go almost 20 miles per hour. I love the quality of the ride. It was super smooth. I love the 10-inch tires. The braking system worked wonderfully. The metal, the structure within the scooter itself felt super durable. If you guys want to purchase one of these, it did cost around $400 or $500, and you get free shipping. So if you just go to turboant.com, turboant.com, and I'll post the description link down below in this video. Just want to show you guys how easy it is to go ahead and remove the removable battery. You just unclick it here. I'm going to also show you guys how to use the light in the front of the scooter. So in order to activate the light in front of the scooter, you're just going to click this rapidly 2 times. And then you can see how that came on. And it also illuminates the back light as well. And then when you want to turn it back off, you're just going to simply double click this twice again, and it turns the light back off. So it's dark outside. I just wanted to demonstrate exactly what the illumination and the lighting looks like on the scooter. So let's walk out of here. I want to double click on the function button here. Turns the lights both on here. I'm going to power on the scooter and see what it looks like. Well guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video on the review of the Turboant X7 Pro electric scooter. And if you did, please don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know if you guys end up getting one and how you guys like it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. I'll see you guys back next time. Take care.